Is everybody doing? Is it okay? It's a bit weird, isn't it? It's a bit weird. Yeah. God visited me last night just to confirm that he did not exist. And he said it's gotta happen somehow, somewhere. Why not happen like this? And he sat with me and held my hand inside his mighty fist. And he asked me with a grin if by the time he'd gone would he be missed. I love the Last Supper with old JC and the gang. Put our and brothers in Islam. I've got an uncle who subscribes to the gospel of Pacharan. I'll take your yin, but she can keep your yang. Religion makes you happy only where it's prevalent. In fact, whether what you think is believe is true is irrelevant. And faith is just a potentially useful instrument. But I'm preaching to the choir here, I'm preaching to dissent. I love the old Last Supper with old JC and the gang. And I love the astrological discussions of brothers in Islam. I got an uncle who subscribes to the gospel of Jaran. I'll take your yin, but you can keep your yang. And wouldn't it be nice if a prophet came down from outer space? And scrubbed the world of AIDS and corruption from its filthy face? But wouldn't it be nicer if it didn't have to do that in the first place? But I'm preaching to the choir here, I'm preaching to disgrace. I love that painting by Da Vinci with old Jesus and the gang. And Buddha is my buddy, all my brothers in Islam. I got an uncle who prescribes to the gospel of Pacharan. Take your yin, but you can keep your yang. Well, if this world's a basket of fruit, tell me who is the weaver? And if this world is a bank heist gone wrong, tell me who is the schemer? It's a nasty transition from believer to non-believer. But I'm preaching to the choir here, I'm preaching to blasphemers. I love that painting by Da Vinci with old Jesus and the gang. And Buddha is my buddy, hooray for Allah of Islam. I got an uncle who prescribes to the gospel of Pacharan. I'll take your yin, but you can keep your yang. I said I'll take your yin, but you can keep your yang. I'll take your yin, but you can keep your yang. It's slightly less weird now, that's good.